Thanks for the lift. So we've arrived. Wish me luck. It's like the wonky donkey. I'll only be seeing it at the start because I'm walking.
Oh.
Settling in at the back. So it's the King's Coronation. This is the Three Rivers Ultra, which I'm walking today. It should be 50 miles long. Don't know if I'll be able to finish it, but I'm going to give it a really good go. I think it's going to take me somewhere between probably 20 and 24 hours. Depending on how much I slow. I'm right at the back, so I've settled into my normal place. I don't know if you can make out everyone ahead, but this is a guy in orange leading out the runners. My first mile done. Already feeling a little bit warm. Now I've been going now for an hour, done just over 3 miles, which is about right for my steady pace that I want to do for the first 10 hours or so. So all good. So over the river there is the Ramsholt Arms, which I will be going past again later, but on the other side I've just got to get to Woodbridge and then head back the other side of the Devon. I doubt I'll have time to drop in for a pint. Now I'm passing through a little place called Hemley. It's very picturesque, as you can see. There's the flag up high for the coronation. There's a lovely horse. Past the, I don't know what that is, boatyard. Lots of people there. Done just over 7 miles. I'm going to head down towards the church, and then we drop back down towards the Devon, Marsham Creek, and then we'll head to Woodbridge. Here's the very familiar Marsham Creek. It's been spitting now for about, well, pretty much 2 hours. Lovely. Hello.
Hello, how you doing? I'm guessing you're Richard, are you?
I am, yeah.
Hello, mate. How
Bringing
you
up the
doing?
rear.
I'm Simon.
Hello.
I've got something for you.
Ah.
I've got...
So I'm now skirting the very famous archaeological site, Sutton Hoo, medieval ship burial ground. Also inspiration to the excellent Netflix film The Dig. I was only over there a little while ago. Whoa! That bit was a bit slippery. Probably need to pay attention.
Split pace, 21 minutes, 48 seconds per mile.
Not the easiest terrain. Turns out my shoes aren't as grippy as I thought. Dinging nails. Bloody hell. Ow. That bit back there, I stung my legs to bits. I didn't even need to go down there. I missed the sort of U-turn on the route. Just ploughed on through the stingers. Had to come back the other way. My legs are absolutely buzzing now. I was like, where's the footpath? But there is one. I don't think many people do this route. It's, I don't know, wood bridges. Back in the past. Very muddy, very wet. Bloody stinging nails. God, I hope none of them do this in the night. Oh, it's treacherous. Ah! Ow! That's 23 miles done, so not quite halfway. If you can see that up on the hill. I'm not feeling quite so chirpy. I've noticed I'm not recording as much. I've just ticked over 26 miles, so I'm halfway. So that can't be bad. Look, I've seen someone else. She's done 44 miles. And she still checked if I was okay. Now I know I'm going to sound like Nana when I say this, but I'm in a spectacular field. Look at this. Hoping that there's some amazing view over this bit here. We might even see the sea. Or not. Might just be the beach. It's pretty dusky out here now. bit overgrown this bit, but there we go. See another Martello tower. Oh, this is a bit sweet. Bloody shingle. This is Shingle Street. Bloody shingle. Pretty bleak at Shingle Street. The distant sound of a bell ringing on a buoy out there somewhere. Don't know if you can see, but there goes the lady who went past me a little bit earlier. I think this is my second checkpoint coming up. I hope so. So just done checkpoint 2. I've got changed into warmer stuff. I'm actually pretty cold now, particularly from standing still like that. Is right, I think. I don't know if I'm supposed to be going up here. I better check the map. Right, you can probably see it is very dusky now. I got really cold in the run up to that checkpoint, so I stripped off, put on all dry stuff, got the waterproof on, got the head torch ready, got the iPhone charging, although I think it will get through the day, but just in case it's charging. I've got the Garmin charging. The weather's been really brutal since that second checkpoint. I had really heavy rain, and I did see a big fireworks display which must have been for the coronation, and I guess that was either at Orford or Aldborough or somewhere like that. It was a long way away. Anyway, someone coming. Definitely someone there. I've been coming for a while. I thought they'd have gone past me by now. Well done, chaps.
Hello.
How are you getting on?
Yeah, good.
Keep it going, yeah, all good. Well done. You alright?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, good, thanks. I reckon this is the first guy doing the 100. Here he comes. Well done, mate.
Well done.
Amazing, well done. Keep it going. So there we go, look, this is checkpoint 7. It's 3 for me, but 7 in total. Cool, thank you very much.
Okay, good stuff.
Whoops. I just put my foot in a hole and totally stacked it. And I went over on the side where I got my my glasses in my pocket. So this long grass is so cold and wet, and the ground so uneven. Going at a snail's pace. My feet are so wet and cold. I can't wait to get off this track, but it seems to be never ending. I don't know if you can make any of this out, but it's starting to brighten up. I'm really screwed. My legs are going. They're so slow. This is so hard. My feet and legs and back and neck are killing me. Just grinding it out. Hello, Em. How are you?
Is it wet?
Sorry?
Is it wet?
It's wet. I'm quite moist. I'm so tired.
18 rich.
I'm so tired.
Are your legs?
Oh, Ralph's come as well.
Yeah, of course we're going now. Where is it?
Ralph. Early morning support crew. Oh.
Just sprint finish, please.
Never again. Oh.